my dear children. So children, we are celebrating the theme of the month, I am kind. Yes, and for today's craft, what are we going to do? Do you remember that I have told you to perform the act of kindness? Yes. So since you are performing an act of kindness, there has to be a reward for you. So what are we going to do for today's craft activity is, we have provided you with a piggy bank, correct? A mud piggy bank. Yes, of course, we support the environment. So we are not using the plastic one. That's the reason we have given you the piggy bank that is made of mud. Yes. And what are we going to do of this, my dear children? And what is this piggy bank for? You would be thinking this. So let me clear all of your doubts. Firstly, this piggy bank is the piggy bank of kindness. Yes, here you can see this is my piggy bank, Olympian piggy bank of kindness. So all my dear children are going to make the piggy bank of their own name, and you would name the piggy bank after your name and a piggy bank of kindness. Yes, so as I have told you, you have to perform an act of kindness. So whenever you are performing an act of kindness, you have to keep that in the mind. End of the day, you can tell your parents, mama or daddy, whoever is there, you can ask them for the money. Yes, all the children love to collect piggy bank, correct? Money in the piggy bank. So this piggy bank is of kindness. You have to earn this money by doing act of kindness. So every day when you are doing performing an act of kindness, remember that, share that with your parents, and parents, please help your child to fill this piggy bank of kindness. Along with that, what you can do, my children, is decorate your piggy bank. It is your piggy bank. The way you want to decorate, you can decorate it and name it after yourself. So if you want to color, you can color it. If you have some materials to decorate, the beads or anything, stickers, anything something like that, you can use that. You can use this tape, as I have used the tape over here. I have stick some stars over here. I have named the piggy bank as Olympian Piggy Bank of Kindness. And few beads which I have sticked it over here. So whatever ways or whatever material you have at your home, you can use your materials to decorate the piggy bank. Name after it, and yes, perform the act and start collecting the money. Yes. So my children, so important thing is to perform the act of kindness. So by performing the act of kindness, my children are going to fill their piggy banks. And in that way, yes, it will become a habit for you to perform the act of kindness, which is obviously good for you and for others. So that's all for today, my children. I hope you would nicely decorate your piggy bank, and yes, of course, fill the piggy bank with your act of kindness. That's all for today, my dear children. Thank you. God bless you.